Today's topic is Gauss law and its theorem. First of all, we will see the statement of the Gauss law. Gauss law states that the total electric flux out of a closed surface is equal to the charge enclosed divided by the permittivity. The electric flux in an area is defined as the electric field multiplied by the area of the surface projected in a plane and perpendicular to its field. It means the total normal electric induction over a closed surface is equal to the electric charges enclosed by the surface. Then what is Gauss law? According to Gauss law, the total flux linked with the closed surface is 1 upon epsilon times the charge enclosed by the closed surface. For example, a point charge q is placed inside a cube of edge A. Now, as per the Gauss law, flux through each face of the cube is q divided by 6 epsilon. Generally, the electric field of the surface is calculated by applying the Coulomb's law. But to calculate the electric field distribution in a closed surface, we need to understand the concept of Gauss law. It explains the electric charge present in the enclosed surface. Now the formula for the Gauss law. As per the Gauss theorem, the total charge enclosed in the closed surface is proportional to the total flux enclosed by the surface. Therefore, if Q is total flux and epsilon naught is the electric constant, the total electric charge Q enclosed by the surface is Q is equal to phi into epsilon naught. This is the formula for Gauss law. The Gauss law formula is expressed by phi is equal to q upon epsilon, where q is equal to the charge within the given surface and epsilon naught is the electric constant. Now we will see what is the Gauss theorem. The net flux through a closed surface is directly proportional to the net charge in a volume enclosed by the closed surface. That is phi is equal to q net divided by epsilon naught. Let's see in simple words. We can say that the Gauss theorem is related with flow of electric field lines, that is flux, to the charge within the enclosed surface. And if there is no charges are enclosed by a surface, then there is no electric flux will be 0. This means that the number of electric field lines entering the surface equals the field lines leaving the surface. This is the simple way of explaining the Gauss law and Gauss theorem. Thank you.